So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry that I didn't do the introduction in the video at first, but it was really early in the morning. I am not a morning person, as you can see, like my mouth and stuff. I would boot it up. Like, I am not a morning person. Like, I'm just like was so quiet. But yeah, y'all, this is a video lace closure to wig. As you can see right now, I have on my cap, and I applied some got to be glued, and I'm just taking the blow dryer and I'm blowing that so it can get a little tacky. Now I'm going to cut around my ear part, around the perimeter on both sides, just to get that out of the way. Then I'm going to take some more got to be glue gel. I'm going to go back up at the front from where I cut the cap and it started to come back up, and I'm going to put some more got to be glue gel so I can get that to lay back down. Now I'm going to take my foundation powder palette and I'm going to get the one that's closest to my scalp, and I'm going to try and get that to blend in so when I do place the wig, it'll actually look like my scalp. Because as you can see, the cap is like totally like way so lighter, like so much lighter than my actual scalp. Then I'm going to place the wig on my head and try and get it on, trying to attach the two wig combs that's in it in the back first before I lay down the front. Now I'm going to take some more got to be glued and I'm going to start putting it on the front where the frontal is going to lay, as well as the side front part of the wig. So I'm just going to get all that up in there and lay it with some more got to be glued gel. Now I'm going to take the wig and I'm going to pull it all the way to the front. Come on. I'm going to pull it a little bit, about 1/2 of an inch past the cap. And I'm going to grab the sides as well, put that in place. I'm just trying to hold it so it can tack a little so I can catch the other side and lay that down as well. And now I'm going to take my comb and start to press down on the front of the frontal with the end of the comb. I don't want to use my fingers because then it's going to create like a little white residue. Then I'm going back in with the blow dryer as well as using the comb to get it to lay down. Now I'm going to take the little pins out of my hair. Y'all, I'm still not talking. I am not a morning person. I'm still frowned up. But I'm going to go back in up here at the front. I seen where I had missed like a little spot over here. And I'm going to like dip a little, glue just to get that, because I didn't catch it the first time. Gotta have all of it laying down, not just part of the frontal. Gotta have everything laid. Right here I'm just showing y'all how bouncy the hair is. By the way, this hair is from Mayveen.com. Shout out to my sister, she bought this hair for me. I will leave the link to their website below in the description box. So yeah, you see how it is? It's like it's coming from out of my scalp. And it's blended in really good. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, basically that is all, you guys, on how I lay my frontal. By the way, this is a 4x4 frontal. It's not an ear to ear, for those of you who don't know. So I'm just trying to get this part because I don't even know how I want to wear this crap. And yeah, like that's another thing. I don't have to part it like just one way. That's why I like these frontals, because as you can see, these parts are not straight at all. So I'm just trying to get something that's gonna look good. Match my head, my big old head. But these little flyaways, I'm finna fix that. Nothing in the way. Okay. So yeah, how I fix my little flyaways. I wish I had like some little foam lotion, but I don't. So since I don't have any foam lotion, what I'm going to do is take a little bit of edge control, not too much. Just want to take a little, like a little more, little than that. Just a little on your hand, you know, just a little. Take it and rub it, and just take it like this. Just to calm the flyaways. Oh, calm them down, sis. Just to calm them down. And see? There we go. That's how I lay my frontal. As you guys can see, look how good that looks. Oh, super good. So yeah, that is basically all for this video. We have a problem during the day, so yeah, I really appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, babies. Hit the subscribe button, and yeah, thanks for watching, and you guys have a good day.
That say me too, girl, you addicted and I need you. She say, baby.